Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide your photos on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, scroll down, click on menu option. Okay, tap on this profile, scroll down, choose on your photos. Okay, tap on three dot option, click on edit post, just click, then tap on this option public, then tap on only me and run, then save to hide your photos on Facebook post. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.